the cycle.
Break the cycle.
Achieve gender equality and empower all women and girls.
Break the cycle.
There is a line connecting poverty and disability, disability and poverty. We all need to interact it.
Break the cycle between poverty and disabilities.
Make cities and human settlements inclusive, safe, resilient, and sustainable.
Break the cycle.
Break the cycle between poverty and disability.
Ensure inclusive and equitable quality education and promote lifelong learning opportunities for all.
Break the cycle.
Break the cycle. Break the cycle.
You need to break the cycle.